Good day guys! So today, this tutorial will focus about a grade 6 lesson entitled Ratio and Proportion in Real Life Situations. So, let's get started. Before anything else, let us know the definition of ratio. Next, let us know the definition of proportion. So now that we know the meaning of both terms, let us proceed to our first problem. The given in our first problem involving ratio are 3 balls of red yarn and then 7 balls of green yarn. And the question is, how many balls of green yarn are there if the box contains 40 balls of yarn? So let's put this in its ratio form, which is 3 and 7. This type mostly involves like trial and error type, wherein we multiply both numbers with the same number, then add both to see if the sum is equal to 40. So let's try 4. So 3 times 4 and 7 times 4. 3 times 4 is equal to 12. 7 times 4 is equal to 28. Now, let's add both numbers together. So, we get 40. Therefore, the answer to the problem is there are 28 green yarns in the box. According to our second problem involving ratio, the given is 1/4 cups of sugar can make 20 cookies. Now since the math club has 60 members, we need to make 60 cookies. So, how much sugar is needed? We find the factor multiplied to 20 to get to 60 so that we can multiply it to 1/4 to get the amount of cups needed to make 60 cookies. Since we have to multiply both numbers with the same number so that it would be fair and equal. So obviously, 60 divided by 20 is 3. So we can multiply both like this. Now obviously, 20 multiplied by 3 is 60. Now how about 1/4 times 3? So 1/4 multiplied by 3, but we put a 1 as a denominator, but it also has the same value. Now simply multiply. 1 times 3 is equal to 3, and 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Now, here's the answer. So we need 3/4 cups of sugar to make 60 cookies. Given in our first problem regarding proportion is that Amanda reads 18 pages in 23 minutes. And how many number of pages will she read in 45 minutes? So first step is we write the proportion like this. Let X represent the number of pages Amanda reads in 45 minutes. The next step, we cross multiply. then 10. So it's 23x equal to 18 times 45. 18 times 45 is equal to 810. Then let's solve for x by dividing both sides by 23. Divide both sides by 23, divide both sides by 23. So that will leave us to x is equal to 35.217. Now let's round it off. So the answer is 35.2. So at this rate, Amanda can read approximately 35 pages in 45 minutes. Now, to our next and final problem about proportion. The given is that John can eat 3 hot dogs in 6 minutes. At this rate, how many hot dogs will he eat in 12 minutes? So the first step, like before, we write the proportion. So 3 over 6 is equal to, let x represent the number of hot dogs John can eat in 12 minutes. Then cross multiply. So 6x is equal to 3 times 12, which is equal to 36. The next is we solve for x by dividing both sides by 6, so that x will be the one to be left. So x is equal to 6. So now we have our answer. So the answer is that at this rate, John can eat 6 hot dogs in 12 minutes. That's all for this math tutorial. I hope that you learned and understand the topic very well. Till next time!